Yo, how's it going? You alright? Yeah, I'm alright, thanks. Thanks for asking. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you my new car. I bought a 172 Cup and it's pretty fucking sick. If you don't know, I had a Fiesta track car before. It was stripped out, caged and stuff like that. I sold it up because I wanted to upgrade. The first car and the only car I had in mind was one of these. Well, it wasn't a Cup specifically, but it was a 182, 172. So I spent a while looking for one. I was getting pissed off. I went and looked one, it was a piece of shit. They wouldn't even take fucking an offer on it. I was getting pretty pissed off. One Saturday I was arranged to go to Norwich and look at one, which is about an hour and a bit away from my house. Actually look at another 172 Cup in the same colour. The guy messaged me last minute before I was about to leave saying I got someone to come and look at it, then he told me it sold about half an hour later. So I was fucking pissed off. I sit at home, the next thing you know, I get 3 people tagging me in it, and this car comes up sale on Facebook. It's about 15 minutes away from my house. And it was a bargain. I paid under £1,000 for this 172 Cup. It's not mint, obviously. I paid under £1,000 for it, otherwise it'd be worth more, wouldn't it? But yeah, that's it. I own a 172 Cup and it's fucking sick. I've already done some bits to it because I've had it about 2 weeks now. Yeah, I've already done some bits to it. I couldn't help myself. I couldn't help it. But yeah, let's walk around the car, show you what's what, and I'll tell you about the bits. So yeah, let me show you around my car. I'll tell you the info about it. You know, what's good, what's not. Bits, stuff, mods, because you know we did some mods already. I couldn't help myself, could I? It has about 111,000 miles on it. It has no service history. It does have 2 keys, and I got it completely standard. It was completely original. I mean, it's got original stereo. It's got everything. It's come around to the front, obviously, because it's a Cup. You got the Cup splitter. Yeah, so being a Cup, it comes with this this little splitter that comes standard. That's pretty cool. So one of the things I've already done to this car is I've replaced that splitter already. I did it yesterday because it got cracked when the guy loaded it up, when the guy I bought it off loaded it onto his loader. He cracked it once and it was actually in about 5 pieces when I took it off. It was cracked everywhere. So I did what everyone else, Jesus, Casper the Ghost. So I did what I've seen everyone do, and I got one off a Skoda Fabia. I got a genuine one from TPS through work and it cost me £10, and you wouldn't know the difference really. The only difference is it's like a malleable rubber, but it's really quite solid. Whereas a standard one is like hard plastic, so if you touch it, it just shatters straight away. So yeah, but yeah, it's a Cup, it's got a splitter, it looks cool, it's not cracked. Good job me, yeah? One advantage of this car being a Cup is obviously it doesn't have xenon headlights. A normal 172 will have xenon headlights and headlamp washers, as you can see the little blanks here. So my car's got normal halogen bulbs, it's got headlamp washer blanks. It's got no auto wipers, no auto lights like a normal 172 has, because it's obviously Cup's all lightweight shit. Speedline Torini, standard on a 172 Cup, cool wheel. 16 inch. Well, a lot of people prefer the 15, they think the car handles better on a 15 than I do the 16. I think I might go down to 15s when I take it on track, I'm not really sure yet. But for now, the Speedline Torini, they look quite good. They're not in the best condition. They could do the refurb, to be fair, and the tyres are absolutely shocking. They're absolute death traps, honestly. I don't know, I haven't actually had a look yet. Let's have a look. There we go, Marshalls. It's got a set of Marshalls all round, and they are a fucking one way to get into a ditch, I'll tell you that for free. But whatever, that's the thing to change another time. So yeah, let's keep going, let's keep walking, let's keep doing this. Okay, coming around to the back, it's just standard Coolio stuff. It's got all the original badges, rear wiper, it's got the Renault Elf thing that all the Renaults and like Dacies they seem to have in the rear windows. Cup spoiler obviously, which is pretty cool. It's like a little duckbill, sort of flicks up over the standard one. I think it looks so much better. Not a lot going on here, just standard car really, just standard outside. Coming inside, because it's a Cup, you have the colour matched like little dash trims and shit, steering wheel trim. So steering wheel trim, these trims, the clusters are all, and the gear knob are all body matched to the exterior colour. I think the Cups only came in iceberg, I think it's iceberg silver, and this is Mondale blue. So they're either the trim's max exterior colour. Standard cloth seats, which are just like, I assume the same as 1.2. I haven't had a chance to clean it here, so you know, give me a break. Yeah, it's got original stereo. It's original interior completely. Like alley pedals, Renault Sport, seal trim. What the fuck is that? It's so slow and loud. Shut up, you fuck. I've already removed this thing, that block here, thing that goes there, which is really annoying, gets in the way of everything. That's fucking been thrown in the bin already. I actually cleaned the engine bay today, I don't know if you can tell. Pretty, I didn't do too bad to be fair, bit of gunk and a little brush, didn't take 5 minutes. I removed the undershield so I could clean the bonnet. I haven't refitted it yet because I'm waiting for it to dry and clean that. But yeah, that's the engine bay. Obviously being a 172 Cup, it hasn't got aircon, and also doesn't have ABS as well, which is pretty cool. Already got another one of these to fit, which is painted the same colour as my car, so that'll tidy that up a little bit. I've ordered a K-Tech panel filter today, because apparently a panel filter is like one of the best things. They're better than cone filters, because the standard airbox actually has 2 air feeds. It's got one air feed here, I don't even fucking see that, and another one underneath. But anyway, yeah, it's got 2 air feeds, so apparently the airbox is quite a good. The standard airbox is really good on this car, so you might as well just keep it. Even though they do sound cool with a cone on it, I'm just going to stick the panel filter in it for now and then leave it really. But yeah, that's the engine bay. Doesn't look too bad actually, it's not too bad for the age of it. So what I have done so far is, last weekend I replaced the cam belt, phaser pulley, cam seals, water pump, auxiliary belt, and camshaft end caps. I think that's it. I replaced all of those with genuine bits because the car came with no service history, so the guy said there's no history of it being done, so I thought I might as well do it. Get out of the way and done with the worst job. So that's what I did. Why is there more of these planes and why are they so loud? Fuck off. Are they doing like stuff together? They're touching wings and shit. I don't know. But yeah, so I've done all the cam belt and all that stuff, that's been done. So that's the worst bit out of the way so far. Yesterday I've done the splitter like I said, and I also fitted H&R lowering springs around 30mm. I'm hoping the front settle a little bit more, to be honest with you, because we'd like a bit of more drop on the front. For some reason my car looked like it was doing a fucking wheelie. I don't know what that was all about. But this is how it sits now. Obviously, like, I did the springs yesterday, so I'm hoping the front settles a bit more, but I don't think it's gonna, unfortunately, but that's just how it's gonna be in it, I guess. And I don't think I've actually done anything else really. I've gave the headlights a quick polish. I've done the front number plate. I fitted a 3/4 size one, which everyone does, as you can see. So yeah, I've done the front plate. I did the rear plate as well. Just put a standard plate on the rear. I don't know. It's something I do every time I get a new car. I always put fresh plates on it. It just makes the car look cleaner and like fresher, and that's just something I just like doing. Same with the wipers. I put some aero blades on it. It had normal wipers on it before. I put aero blades on all my cars, so I just did that. So it's got a set of fresh plates and a set of fresh blades on it. So no smearing windows, clean plates, it looks clean. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say about it, to be fair. That's my little Clio, it's a little Ripper. Whip. It's almost like it was meant to be. My favourite pizza place, even though they did air fresheners. That is my Clio. This is my replacement for the Fiesta. It's gonna be my winter daily, and my car will be used on track next year. I'm not actually sure what direction I'm gonna go with it yet. I don't think I'm gonna go as serious interior-wise as I did with the Fiesta, like with no interior and stuff. Obviously, I got the Fiesta with no interior, so I didn't have a choice. But this is a blank canvas for me to do what I want to it. So I'm quite excited to be fair. It's just cool getting a new car, and it's exciting. You get a new project, you know, new websites to just window shop at every day. Oh, also, I've got the colour-coded upper inlet, and I've got an RS lower inlet from 182, so that's port matched to the head, so a bit more better flow. I know it's only a small bit, but they're cheap, they're like 35 quid, so might as well fit that while I'm doing that as well. Look at it, it's a little whip. This fucking dude just come running out of nowhere. There's a fucking other guy over there behind that fucking building. What the fuck are these people, where do these people come from? So that is my Clio 172 Cup. If you like it, or you have something to say about it, leave a comment, leave a like, let me know what you think, see if you think it's cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this sort of videos and want to follow me through my progress with this car, I'll be videoing when I like do mods and stuff. Like, I'll probably do a video next week when I fit the inlet and whatever other things I buy during the week, like my panel filter probably. But yeah, if you want to see more of this Clio and follow me on my journey of what I do to it and me taking it on track and doing shit with my mates, yeah, leave a subscribe, do a subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.